Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Sounds and Vibration. This is where notification styles live. Once there, check that Do Not Disturb is off so you can hear and see updates while you work. Next, tap Notification Sounds to choose tones, and then back up to Notification pop-ups to control banners. Make sure you use the same profile, personal or work, so settings apply consistently. This gets you to the first actionable controls quickly without extra setup. Now you refine the style by selecting App Notifications and choosing the specific app you want to change. Once inside, open notification categories to see separate channels like messages and alerts. This lets you set different sounds and banner behavior for each. Tap each category and choose sound, vibration, and whether it appears as a pop-up or a silent badge. Make deliberate choices, pop-ups for urgent items and silent for low-priority ones, so your phone only interrupts when needed. To finish, test your changes by sending a message or using the app preview so you can confirm sound, banner, and lock screen visibility. If the new style doesn't appear, reboot the phone and make sure the app has notification permission enabled in its own settings. If issues persist, clear the app cache or reset notification settings for that app. That solves most sync problems. Remember, one final check across personal and work profiles ensures you didn't miss a duplicate setting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.